Look, I think what is interesting is my inbox this morning has been flooded by Democrats who are sort of saying Ossoff was a terrible candidate.
Oh,
so we're starting to get. So we're starting, I think, to get the
trained by the greatest of terrible candidates, I'm sure.
So, and he was not. I would say I agree with Casey. He was not electric. He was more static electric. But I think, in general, that is an issue. Look, the other thing is, look how deep the bench was down there. There were a lot of people who wanted that seat. I think that the larger issue that we're dealing with here right now is the fact that the Democrats just don't have a lot of candidates, not just in Georgia, but around the country in general.